I love you. Okay, bye.
When I first laid eyes on you, when I heard your heartbeat too, oh, I never knew I could witness an angel so beautiful. From the very
I already started eating some of the food because I'm fat. But no, this is going to be a quick mukbang. I just want to answer some questions that you guys have for me. And since I cooked, I'm like, why not? So let's get into the first question. So the first question is, why don't I post my baby father? I like to keep all my relationships, whoever I'm dealing with, private. So yes, that's why I don't post. Actually, I haven't posted anyone that I've ever been in a relationship with. So yeah. The next question is, what has been the hardest thing about being a mom? The hardest thing about being a mom is leaving my baby, because I always want to enjoy time with him. So it's like when I leave, it's like I'm sad too. Okay. What is the best memory you have with an ex? Whoa. I would say a best memory with an ex. The breakup. Yeah. Anyways. Am I single or taken? It's complicated. Yeah, it's complicated. I'll say that. So yeah. How old am I? I am 21. My birthday is June 12th. Where are you from? I'm from Mississippi, born and raised. I moved to California 2017 when I graduated. And then I moved in with my sister. And then after that, I branched off on my own. Yeah, so now I live by myself, well, with my baby. We still live in California, just not close by LA. How old is my son? My son is 12 months. A year, and his birthday was November the 14th, and he is currently taking steps, so I'm excited. He crawls very fast, and he loves to just throw stuff, bite you, scratch you, and yell. Yep, that's a baby for you. What was the hardest thing about being pregnant for 9 months? The hardest thing being pregnant for 9 months was trying to sleep. Like when I hit my third trimester, trying to sleep, and he kept kicking me in my ribs. It was just very uncomfortable. Did you have a good labor and delivery? My labor was 7 hours long. It wasn't really bad because I had a very great nurse. Shout out to you, Christina. But the birth story is kind of funny. I'll save that for another video. But no, it was pretty good. I had a pretty good labor. It was fast, and he came pretty quick. The worst part about it was the contractions, but the pushing part was breezy. Like, it was so easy. What habit do you have that you wish you didn't have? Biting my nails. Whenever I get nervous, Oh, and crying. Whenever I get mad, I cry. And I don't like it because it makes me look weak. But when I'm just so upset, that's how I show my emotions, by crying. So yeah, I hate that. Where would you like to see your child in 10 years? In 10 years. I like to see my child happy and healthy and very, very, very intelligent. He's already smart, but my boy is very, very, like, at his age, he's only 1. He can do quite a lot of things that a 1-year-old would be like, wow. But anyways, another question. What celebrity would you rate as a perfect 10? Celebrity as a perfect 10. I'll have to say a perfect 10. Ashanti. I'm in love with Ashanti. Like, she's my perfect 10. Who is the messiest person you know? The messiest person I know. I know a lot of people that are messy. Quite a few. I'm gonna skip. What is something you always wanted to try but have been too scared to do? I want to get something on my body pierced, but I'm just too scared to do because the pain. I have had like 4 piercing. I have my earring, my earlobe pierced, both my nose, my belly button, this part too, and someplace else I can't remember. Oh, and I got this pierced again. Oh, and my belly pierced again. So yeah. What is your greatest achievement? My greatest achievement in life, having my son and just having a great labor delivery and just making it out of that situation, because it was just life changing, you know. And I love my baby, so yeah. Would you rather be hairy or bald? I'm already hairy, so I'd rather be hairy. Where would you most likely live? I love California, so I'll probably stay in California. Yeah, it's expensive, but I love it here, so yeah. What flavor ice cream do you like? I love chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream is like, that's the only ice cream I eat. Well, the only flavor I eat. What is your favorite food? My favorite food, well, I'll say seafood, is crab legs. I love crab legs. What do you eat? How many cars do you have? I have 3 cars at the moment. Do you have any tattoos? And if so, what do they stand for? I have 1 tattoo. And it's just an initial of somebody that I love a lot, will care for. And yeah, so yeah, that's that. Are you getting any more tattoos? Yeah, I do plan on getting more tattoos. I want to get my son's name on my back with a footprint and his birth date with some angels and stars and stuff like that. So yeah, I want to get that pretty soon.
2 hours later.
Sorry guys, I have to stop the video because my baby woke up from his nap and he's kind of fussy, so I gotta get back to mommy duty. I know, baby, I'm coming. So anyways, thank you for the love and support. Continue to subscribe and like my videos, and I will do a mukbang part 2 and as many questions as I can. Just DM me the questions, and I'll try my best to read all of them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.